Okay, my name is Sean. I'm with the Cymru HandyVan service. I'm the HandyVan fitter. I'm with Chris.
Hello.
He's coming up with me today to Mr. Williams in Alnishan. We're going to do a survey to check for grab rails, stair rails, smoke alarms, carbon monoxide alarms, and also draft proofing to reduce his energy costs, and also winterproof his house. And,
all today?
All today, yeah. Chris,
right.
you're coming out with me today. You can't go like that, so I'm going to give you an Cymru jacket.
Thank you. Do it.
So,
thanks.
Welcome to the team.
Thank you very much. I will wear it with pride.
Face like a glove. When can you start?
Let's go. Let's go. Fit some rails.
Right, Chris. Before we set off, let's check we've got everything ready for Mr. Williams. Right. We want a grab rail.
Yeah.
It's got a grab rail. It's an optical smoke alarm. Needs a smoke alarm. Got that.
Yeah.
There's an automatic security light because he gets up in the night so he needs that. And also
go to the toilet.
A safety chain on his front door to help him answer the front door securely and safely.
Yes.
And also we're checking for a stair rail, so it's just an example of a stair rail.
Very small stairs in Mr. Williams' house.
And also something like a wireless door intercom as well, to help combat against bogus callers and rogue traders. So some biscuits as well. Because we need fuel to keep us going.
Yes. Okay, let's go.
So, in addition to the other services the Cymru HandyVan service provides, we also provide some additions to the home of older people to keep them warm and well this winter. So we've got draft proofing for the bottom of the door, light bulbs, high energy light bulbs to save on electricity bills, remote control sockets, letterbox draft excluders, draft proofing for the doors and the windows, and radiator panels to enhance the heat bit to 45%.
Come on! Mr. Williams needs his grab rail.
Okay.
So we were on our way to Mr. Williams's, but we just bumped into Reenie and Winnie, who are Sean's biggest fans. So I thought we'd give you a chance just to, tell everybody how brilliant Sean is. What sort of stuff he's done for you?
Well, lots of elderly people find the little small jobs. They get a contractor in, he costs them a fortune, and he rips them off, to be honest.
Yeah.
But we don't do that. We have Sean. And the little jobs that we need, curtains, rails, anything, shelves, anything like that.
Yeah.
Sean does it for us.
And what is it, Reenie, about the way that Sean does it that makes him so special?
He's so special because he clears up after himself.
Yeah.
We feel totally safe with him.
Yeah.
Because we know him. And that's why I think he's so special.
And Sean, as far as clients go, how are Reenie and Winnie?
Oh, I couldn't ask for better.
Yeah.
They're so obliging. And again, I'm just so grateful, they are grateful, because I'm glad we're giving a service all the people want and all the people need. And it's a valuable service, and we just like to go and help more older people, just like Reenie and Winnie. So
it's what the elderly people need, because there's a lot of isolation amongst the elderly, which is one of Cymru's main things. We have to stop the isolation, and he's good.
Yeah. We could do with two of him, really.
Bye, thanks. Oh, Pussycat, you got an appointment as well?
good afternoon, Mr. Williams. It's Sean and Chris here from the Cymru HandyVan service.
Yes, I'm expecting
How are you, Mr.
aren't
Williams? We got an appointment to see you this afternoon.
That's right, I'm expecting you. Let me take the chain.
Okie
I'll let you
dokie.
in. There you are, do come in.
Nice to see you again.
So, Mr. Williams, Sean's done a lot of work for you over the years. What sort of stuff has he done, and what sort of impact has it had on you?
Where does one start? Masses of work. We have a little light from the street lamp, and it helps on the front of the house, but at the back of the house, which is where we are now, this room is absolutely dark, completely dark. But because you supplied us with these, as when it's dark, they come on. And it will light up this room sufficiently to walk around in safety. That's a good thing. Plus the fact you're walking around in safety, you're walking around in a warm room because you've given us the reflectors at the back of the radiators. We have smoke alarms throughout the house. Sean has fitted the whole lot. He's done a fantastic job. He took all the old obsolete material out and put all the brand new material in. The chain on the door, the whole house is a lot safer than it was before.
Yeah. Oh well, it's all you know. It's all part of our work, all part of our service. I'm just glad to offer it. Really. Aren't we, Chris?
Yeah.
Good luck. Thanks. See you short. Anything else? Just give me a company. I'll be in touch. See you now. Bye bye. Bye, Sean. Bye, Chris.